Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So I hope you guys are doing well. And today we are going to see the another feature of delta table, that is masking. Okay, so what is masking? So masking is nothing but to hide your secret column information from everyone. Okay, only whoever uh, have that access to see your data of that column level, or that data of any of the table column data, or any other one column or two columns data. So only he or she can able to see. So this thing, how we will implement that, we'll see. Okay, so basically, here first let me go through this. So we have this table. Okay, so this customer table. Okay, so in this customer table, what kind of data we have? So we have this customer key, name, address, nation key, like that, something like that. We have account balance also. Okay, but here what we can do, so we don't want to show this account balance to everyone. Okay, so for that we can restrict this account balance column to only that people who could access, who 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 who, who who has that authority to see this data. Okay, so for that reason, what we could do, we can use the masking function. So masking is nothing but to give the access to one of the group. Okay, group level we can provide the access only whoever joined that group, only whoever is a member of that group, only they can access this data, the masking data, masked data. Okay, so let's see. So what we could do, so here, how to first we will see how to create the masking. So first we'll see how many groups we have. So here I have created one new group here, the HR. Okay, so for creation of the group, you can go to group. Here you can add new group, and you can create any of your group name. Using any of your group name, you can add new group. Okay, using this you can, whatever group name you want to add, and you can add that group. Okay, for me, earlier this default group admin and user was there. I have created new group HR. Okay, so okay, if you run this query, you will able to see your total group. Okay, for this instance. Okay, so now, and for seeing your access, your ID, whatever ID you have used to log in, your ID's group access, if you want to check, you can use this query, show groups with user, this. So I currently, my ID has only permission as an admin. Okay, I am only the part of the admin group. Okay, admin and user by default, in user group, I would be, everybody have the access, because this account is logged by my ID. I have opened this account. Okay, so now what I would do, for this, first I will create one um, masking function. So masking is nothing but to create, okay, we need to create one function. Okay, so I would be creating the function under my, in this delta table tutorial catalog. That's why I have mentioned here under this demo schema. Okay, and this would be my masking name. Any name you can give here. You can give here test masking or something like that. So whatever name you would suggest, that thing will, the on that name the masking function would be created. Okay, and here you need to pass the any of the argument variable. uh, okay, and it's data type. Okay, so here we will mask the mask the data of this account balance table, sorry, account balance column. Okay, so here what we'll do, so mm, here I have taken the same column name as an argument variable, but you can take any of this, test balance, test account balance, like that you can take. Okay, so yeah, as string I will pass here, and after that in return case I have given that when is account group member, this is a function, is account group member is HR, only then they can see the data of this account balance column value, otherwise they will see this star star asterisk. Okay, so let's create first. So I have created this function in demo. Under this demo, under this function, I can see the account balance masking. Okay, the same name. Okay, using this name, the masking function all I have created. Now I need to apply this masking function. I have created this function. Ma ma this function is a kind of what I could say. It's a framework. It's a frame, not framework. It's a frame, and I need to apply this frame on top of this table. Okay, so that our picture uh, can be created perfectly. Okay, so how you would apply? So alter table this customer table, alter column, on which column you want to apply the masking. So basically this column will go to, whenever I will apply this function, this column will go to here, and after that this thing will be this 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 thing will be applied on top of this column. Okay, set mask this, so this masking thing would be applied. Okay, now I would just run. Okay, so I have run it. Okay, now only whoever the member have are the part of this HR group, only they can see the data of this account balance column. Okay, so after applying this masking function na, it will take 1 or 2 minutes from the backend to update the data, and after that whenever you will run this thing, you will not able to see the account balance column. Let's see it is updated or not. It is updated. Now you can see account balance, it is coming as a star 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 star. Okay, so wherever it is, if you want to run here also, it will come as star 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 star. So like that. Why it is coming like that? Because my this id is not added on the HR. So I am only the member of this admins and users group. Okay, right now what I would do, I would add myself in the HR group. Okay, so I would add myself in this HR group. So I have added here. Okay, now it will take 1 or 2 minutes more to from backend to update in the tables and update its informations. So right now let's refresh the catalog. Let's see if it is updated or not. Once again refreshed. mm, 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 mm. It's fine. Okay, and if you want to see that if the mask function applied in which column, that also you can see from here. You can see on the account balance, the mask, it is the mask column mask it happened. Okay, so here if you open this thing, you will able to see the masking that masking thing. Okay, that this is the condition. On top of this condition, masking applied. These are the things. Okay, so let's see that the data has got updated or not, so that we can see the data. As I have added myself on the HR group, we should see the data. So still not updated from the backend, that's why it is showing like this. So let's see here. Show groups, it will show groups. Let's see it is updated or not. Yeah, now it is updated. HR it is true, it is showing for this ID. Okay, after this also it will take 1 or 2 minute times or sometimes. Okay, I don't know why it is taking so much time. So sometimes multiple time refresh also it is taking, it is not showing us the data. So they are also checking mm, multiple time, I think, from the back end, because this is a security concern now. Multiple things. Ah, now it is coming. You can see the data is here. Same thing, same way. Yeah, yep, data is here. As I am the part of this HR group, so now they are showing me the data. Okay, so if I will remove myself from the HR group once again, I would not able to see the data, as I am not part of this HR group. Okay, so let's go and let's remove myself. So like that only, if you I'm showing it only one ID, one of my ID. If you want to in real life, in real project, yeah, there are lots of people used to be in separate group. Based on that, you need to create the function, masking function, and you need to apply it on top of the column. Okay, based on the requirements. So let's go, let's run it. We now once again the column should be masked. Not happened still data not gets updated from backend. Still not happened. It used to take time, 1 or 2 minutes time. Let's see after, no, 1 or 2 minutes it's happened or not. It should be happened right now. Yeah, once again the data is masked for me, as I am not part of the this HR group, this HR group. Okay, so if I will go to my profile, I can see there are two groups only in my membership. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will remove this masking thing, as I have the admin access, so that I can also remove this mask function from the table directly, using this alter table, this the table name, alter column, which column already masking applied, that one, and drop mask. Okay, so I'm just applying it. Okay, now it's applied. If I will go and I will check it, I would see that the masking column masking function, it is not there right now. Okay, I need to refresh. No, now it removed. Okay, it removed. Okay, now once again, if I need to drop the whole mask, sorry, whole masking thing, the whole masking function, I can use this command, this one, drop, drop function. If exist, the masking function name, this function will get dropped. Now you can see there are no masking function. So like that you can use this masking feature. Okay, the masking feature is for the security purpose. Okay, if you have HR data like that, if you have the salary column on the HR data basically employees details, employee name, employees salary band, like that. If you don't want to show the salary column to everyone, the bands to everyone, or the employees phone number to everyone, that time you can use these masking features uh, to hide these columns from everyone. Only the specific group members can see this these columns based on the masking function how you are applying. Okay, so this was the thing. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can comment, or if any other types of content you need, you can suggest a topic. Based on your suggestion, I will create the topic. I will create the video on that topic, and I will share. If you have any doubts, you can directly connect with me via Topmate or any of the given platform. Already all the platform details are given in the video description. Okay, so you can connect with me, you can follow me on the LinkedIn or Topmate. The Topmate, everything is free. You For connecting with me, there is no need to pay. Okay, and you guys can go through these courses. Okay, I have created these things. This will help you to crack your interviews, to clarify your clarify lots of functions of on the data engineering fields, the real-time scenarios also. These things really will help you if you want to pursuing this data engineering field in your career. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood these things. And if you still not subscribe, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, because without your support, we will not able to grow, as I told you every time. Okay, thanks for supporting us. Thanks for watching our video. Stay tuned for now. Bye.